Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how you can remove and what's the main cause of hair algae in your planted aquarium. We will show you that how you can remove planted aquarium's hair algae by manually and how you can decrease your hair algae in your planted aquarium. So watch full the video, and if you are new in this channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. So watch full the video step by step. At first we will show you that how you can remove hair algae by manually, then we will show you that how it's look like and how you can remove it by increasing your CO2 level, by increasing your water circulation and decreasing your light. So watch full the video. So now we are going to show you how you can remove this hair algae by manually. You can use this kind of stick or any toothbrush to remove this algae from your planted aquarium by manually, or any other tweezer, small tweezer. You can also use small tweezer or any other stick. You can use tweezer, you can use toothbrush to remove this algae. Now we are going to show you how you can remove. So now we are going to use the toothbrush. You can take a toothbrush and that's how you can remove the hair algae. You can see all the algae came into the toothbrush, and do this gently because it can uproot your planted aquarium plant. You can see here is the hair algae in our toothbrush, and it actually worked like a grade. See, here is the algae. That's how you can remove the algae by using toothbrush. You can also use a tweezer to pull the position. That's how you can manually remove the hair algae, but it look like difficult to remove. So we will suggest you to decrease your light and increase your CO2 system and filter rate to remove this algae. You can see all the leaves are covered with hair algae. So here you can see the hair algae. It's actually looks like there. It's a green cotton like algae, and it's not a dangerous algae. You can easily remove by using those tape. By using, you can increase your CO2 level in your planted tank. You can reduce your light duration to 4 to 6 hours, and you can use liquid carbon dioxide, liquid CO2 to remove and to kill this algae. You can see it's look like a cotton thread algae, and it can cover your planted aquarium and decoration. And when you go to remove it manually, it can uproot your carpet and uproot your soft plant which grow in your planted aquarium. So be careful when you are going to remove it by manually, but you can easily remove this plant, remove this algae from your plant by using your hand or toothbrush or any other stick, or any you can also use the tweezer to remove this plant, to remove this from your planted aquarium. Hair algae, you can see here. So here you can see how hair algae looks like. Hair algae are quite commonly found green algae. They form coats from which densely packed short pigment grow. Here, how you can remove hair algae? Hair algae remove solution number one. You can start CO2 in your planted tank. If your planted tank is non CO2, then you can start CO2 injection in your planted tank. Number two, you can add more CO2, or it means that you increase your CO2 BPS level. Number three, laze your light, and you can stay dark out for 2 to 3 days to remove hair algae, or you can laser your light duration and to 4 to 5 hours. Number four is liquid carbon. You can inject liquid carbon like phytocarb, light secam excel in dosing, and you can spot treatment the hair algae. But spot treatment will damage your plant leaf like Monte Carlo, Vallisneria, etc. Water circulation is more important to remove and to control the hair algae. So you can increase your water circulation. It means that your filtration should better to remove the hair algae. Causes of hair algae in planted aquarium. It's mainly caused green hair algae in your planted tank is mostly like happening due to one major problem, a CO2 imbalance. It's the most likely not nitrate or phosphate but actually CO2. So that's how you can control your hair algae in your planted aquarium, and you can easily remove this hair algae by using toothbrush or any other stick, but it will damage your carpet when you go to uproot it. So be careful when you are go to remove it manually. You can see here how it's look like. It's like a cotton thread, you can see, and it can cover all the plant, all the carpet and all the decoration in your planted tank. Here algae eater like Siamese algae eater, you can add mollies, guppies, nerite snail, but we will recommend to add it black molly. They can eat it properly. Amano shrimp will also eat hair algae. Amano shrimp, red cherry shrimp, but Amano shrimp is better than red cherry shrimp. You can also use Bristol nose play coat to remove your hair algae in your planted tank. It's not a dangerous algae. You can easily remove it by manually, and you can easily control it. So if you start to control at first when it's paid in your planted tank, it will remove easily from your planted tank. So friends, that's enough for today. Hope you can know how you can remove hair algae from your planted aquarium and how you can maintain its growth in your planted aquarium. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.